today topic is how to check kernel version and how many ways we can check kernel version. I am logged into this 000 client in API application. In SAP GUI, once we log into the system with any client, you have option called system, menu, edit, favorites, extras. After that you have system option. Then after you need to go to the status, and then after it will give you one screen, and then after you just go to the bottom. You just have option called, after navigate you have arrow other kernel information. You just click that one. You can able to see the kernel version, kernel information, the total kernel information you can able to see here. So the kernel patch level is 700, kernel release 753, so DBSL version 753. So these many things we can check it in system status other kernel info. You just remember this way. So once you log into this, you just go to the system, click on this, just go to the status, you just click here, and then on the bottom you can find other kernel information. This is one way we are going to check the kernel information. And we have another way in like SAP GUI itself. We have a T code SM51. In the SM51 we can able to check the active status, like active application instances. What are the application instances, we can able to see the information, as well as we can check the kernel version as well. So you just go to the release notes, click release notes. So either here you can find the kernel information, SAP kernel information, SAP kernel variant, and what are the patch number, source ID, and what are the database version 740. These are the things we can able to see in SM51. These two many ways we can check it in GUI level, and as well as we can able to check in OS level also. So I am just logging into this OS. After logging into this, first we need to check whether the what is available applications into the system. So I am go to the SAP MNT, the mount directory. So you just give LL, you can able to see the all the available applications. AP8 is my like available application. So before checking the kernel version, first we need to switch to that application. So first, if you want to switch to that application, so we have a command call su-ap8 adm. After switching this, you just give disp+work. So we can able to see the kernel information, all the kernel information we can able to see here, 753. So the patch number, these many things we can able to see the kernel. In interview they may ask you like this, so how many ways you can check the kernel version. So in the GUI level we can able to see in system status other kernel info, this is one way. Otherwise SM51, and we can click release notes. In the release notes we can find the kernel information, and as well as we can able to check in once you log in into the OS. So you just go to the application, particular application. So after switching that application, you just give the disp+work command. You can able to see the all the kernel information. So these three many ways we can check the kernel information.